A quick update on Arc Block here, down 12% on the week here. You can see clearly it looks like the top is in. But the good thing is, I think it's following Pangolin, PNG, because PNG came down and hit its macro support area, and then it's holding up very well at the moment. So we're going from the low there to the high. You can see we're down below the 786,382 here. So this line right here that I drew, I think this is definitely in play for this thing to come down to the 0.5618 and hit 50 cents here. So if that is the case, you can see clearly back in the past support, resistance, and then we blew through that. We're coming down, we filled the gap, and we're hitting that macro support area for a back test. So not bad for the overall picture for ABT. So if we do end up coming down here and holding, it's about a 26% drop from where we are right now. I think it's definitely on the table for us to come down to this level. Unless for some reason, you turn things around and you get back over 90 to 94, then so be it. You're back to being bullish. But right now, a 25% drop is in play, in my opinion, for a move down like that. So just keep that in mind. So we'll move that out of the way. And then the bigger question is, if that is going to be it, if it goes lower than the 618, lower than 50 cents, it may wick down below. But if we clearly come down to these other levels, we'll readjust where it's going to go in the future. Because it did already do a 70x here, and you're down below the 382. So it's telling us the top is in right now. And it will have another run at some point when the market flips bullish. But as of right now, we can only watch what we can watch here. And I really think that a $5 arc block is on the table, even if it comes all the way down. So as of right now, where you are is about an 8x. If it comes down to that 618 and that's it, that's where you get your 10.5x. But if it does end up breaking down all the way to this level here, to where all this resistance was, and then there's your support down there at 21, which would be a still of a price on arc block here. By the way, I think $5 would be your top at that point. But as of right now, as long as we're holding over this 618 area, we'll just go from where we are today. We'll adjust as it goes down. But I think $5 to $8 is definitely possible. So over a 10x up to about a 13x, and then possibly even the $18 to $20 range. I think $20 to $30 is a very fair price if it holds that macro area here. And then you're looking at anywhere from about a 32x, even up to about a 50x on ABT if we hold macro support area here. So, of course, comment down below. What are your thoughts? Where do you see ABT ending up in 2025? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.